Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the torsion bars on a Silverado. First, ensure your safety by parking on a level surface and using jack stands and wheel chocks. Gather your tools, including a large socket, a breaker bar, and a measuring tape. Remember, adjusting these bars directly impacts your vehicle's ride height, so precision is key for optimal results in handling. Before making any changes, park your truck on a perfectly level surface. Use a measuring tape to record the current ride height from the center of your wheel to the fender lip on both sides. Next, locate the torsion bar adjustment bolts. These are typically found near the rear of the lower control arms, often secured with a large nut. Knowing your starting point is essential. To adjust the ride height, use your socket and breaker bar on the adjustment bolt. Turning the bolt clockwise will increase the ride height, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Make small, incremental adjustments, perhaps 1/4 to 1/2 of a turn at a time. After each adjustment, lower the vehicle and bounce the suspension to settle it before remeasuring. Once you've made your adjustments, drive your Silverado a short distance, perhaps a few hundred feet, to allow the suspension to settle completely. Then, remeasure the ride height to ensure you've achieved your desired level. It's absolutely critical to get a professional wheel alignment after adjusting your torsion bars to prevent premature tire wear and maintain proper handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.